Looks better.
What y'all think, Patreon fam?
I like that.
I like.
Yeah.
It's cool.
I think they'll like it. I think
All
it's
right,
cool.
take it off. Let me box it up for you. Let me box
Take
it
it
up
off.
for you.
You like telling me to take it off, huh? Huh, mommy? Huh, mommy? You mad, Coda?
You mad? You don't want daddy to go? Oh, you gonna be sad?
I love you, man.
Don't be sad.
You love your daddy?
Get daddy
You love
hugs
your
and
daddy?
kiss? Get daddy hugs and
Come
kiss.
on. Come on, give me hugs and kisses,
All
bro.
right, you wanna give me hugs?
I don't get no hugs and kisses? Fine then, man.
We just sad.
That's why I got Jackson anyway.
We're so sad.
Ooh.
The good news is
The
daddy.
oldest, baby. Apple of my eye, baby.
You wanna eat with mama? I just made some broccoli. You want some broccoli?
Want some fried chicken?
You want some gummy bears?
I knew that was going to get a yes.
Oh. We got you. Actually, go to Jack's. We're gonna get something to eat, and then let me help daddy with the rest of his bags.
Oh.
Okay? Deal? All right, go ahead. Take your babies. Okay. Don't even look past it. Like, just pretend you don't see past here, okay? The closet was at 98%, but then we just traveled, we came back, so you gotta give me Grace. Call me Grace. Make that my middle name. Kadeen Grace. Ellis. Don't you got a flight to catch? Why are you coming over here for?
Nothing. I didn't.
Exactly. Give me your stuff.
Some all that money I spent getting this freaking closet cleaned.
It was organized. I know where everything goes. I just have to do it. We were podcasting all week. I'm doing a day with K. Y'all see me. Y'all see me in these day with K streets. You know what I'm saying? Money, I fi make picnic, I fi feed. Podcast, I fi record. So
Closet's half it clean. Yeah, that's it. Matt, laugh, Matt. Laugh, Matt. You don't gotta hold that in, brother.